virus continues spreading across our state, and there are some locations that are potential super spreaders, and they aren't getting very much attention right now.
News 4 Tucson's Daniel McFarland has our story.
Correctional facilities are often overlooked because the people in there can't leave. That means if even one inmate does get the coronavirus, it can spread very quickly. The Arizona Department of Corrections has been working to prevent officers and inmates from getting the virus since earlier this year. The department said in part, keeping our staff, inmates, and communities safe continues to be a top priority. Each day, all employees entering any Arizona prison complex continue to undergo required temperature and symptom checks at each facility. All prison complex staff have been required to wear face coverings since June 15th. On July 2nd, all inmates were provided fabric face coverings for their use. Carlos Garcia, the executive director for Arizona Correctional Peace Officers Association, says the State Department is not being open enough with its staff.
The department tries to cover as much as possible so that doesn't seem so bad. So the officers themselves don't know this is critical. They are stuck between two worlds, man. They work in a prison as an officer, but they're civilians on their off time.
That could be an issue because if one staff worker brings the virus to a correctional facility and even just one inmate picks it up, it could spread very quickly since those prisoners can't separate.
2,800 inmates infected right now. Let me tell you that number again. That's a huge number. 2,800, okay? 19 have died. Those are whopping numbers.
The Arizona Department of Corrections tracks the cases on their website. Their percent positivity rate is lower than the general population, standing at under 8%.
We've had no inmate-to-inmate transmissions to this point, and that's been greatly due to all of the measures that ourselves and the health department and Centurion have put in place.
Carlos Garcia also told me that social distancing inside these facilities is impossible due to security reasons and that the mask mandate came a few months too late. We've got you covered. Daniel McFarland, News 4 Tucson.